హాయ్ అండి, నమస్తే. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్ జనరల్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఎథ్రెట్ 1. ఈవేళ వీడియోలో జనవరి 28కి సంబంధించి కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్, డైలీ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ షేర్ చేస్తున్నాను. చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్. సో మీకు అన్ని కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్కి యూస్ అవుతాయి. సో ప్లీజ్ వీడియోని అయితే స్కిప్ చేయకుండా ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి. అందులో ఫస్ట్ వన్ వచ్చేసి, హూ వాజ్ రీసెంట్లీ అపాయింటెడ్ యాజ్ ద అడిషనల్ డైరెక్టర్ జనరల్ ADG ఆఫ్ ద బార్డర్ సెక్యూరిటీ ఫోర్స్ BSF. Options: Option A Mahesh Kumar Agarwal, Option B Akash Pandian, Option C Mahesh Bhagat, and Option D Nitin Thakur. And the correct answer is Option A Mahesh Kumar Agarwal. Which prominent person has been elected as the President of the Institute of Company Secretariats of India ICSI for the year 2025? Options: Option A Chandan Agarwal, Option B Pawan G Chandak, Option C Dhanunjay Shukla, Option D Vikas M Chetan. And the correct answer is Option C Dhanunjay Shukla. Langtang National Park, which has been in the news recently, is located in which country? Options: Option A Pakistan, Option B India, Option C Bangladesh, Option D Nepal. The correct answer is Option D Nepal. Where did the Indian Olympic Association IOA officials and the NIPU hold a 4-day meeting? Options: Option A Gujarat, Option B Karnataka, Option C Maharashtra, Option D Madhya Pradesh. And the correct answer is Option A Gujarat. Which African country was recently accepted as a partner country of the BRICS Alliance on January 17, 2025? Options: Option A Ghana, Option B Egypt, Option C Somalia, Option D Nigeria. And the correct answer is Option D Nigeria. Justice Alok Arade was recently appointed as the Chief Justice of which state High Court? Options: Option A Bombay, Option B Hyderabad, Option C Allahabad, and Option D Patna. And the correct answer is Option A Bombay. Which two Indian cities have been included in the list of 31 wetland cities of Global Wetland Cities Network? Options: Option A Indore and Surat, Option B Indore and Udaipur, Option C Surat and Agra, and Option D Udaipur and Surat. And the correct answer is B Indore and Udaipur. Which state's tabla won the Best Tabla Award on the 76th Republic Day celebration? Options: Option A Maharashtra, Option B Uttar Pradesh, Option C Karnataka, Option D Rajasthan. The correct answer is Option B Uttar Pradesh. On which date International Clean Energy Day 2025 is celebrated? Options: Option A 26 January, Option B 27 January, Option C 28 January, and Option D 29 January. The correct answer is A. Option A 26 January. Pangsa Pass, which was seen in news, lies between which two countries? Options: Option A India and Bhutan, and Option B China and Nepal, Option C India and Myanmar, and Option D India and Bangladesh. The correct answer is Option C India and Myanmar. Jitendra Pal Singh has been appointed as the new ambassador of India to which country? Options: Option A Norway, Option B Jordan, Option C Israel, and Option D Nepal. The correct answer is Option C Israel. Which former Chief Justice of India received the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2025? Options: Option A Ranjan Gogoi, Option B S.A. Bobde, Option C Jagdish Singh Kehar, Option D, Nepal. And the correct answer is option C, Jagdish Singh Kehar. Alexander Lukashenko became the president of which country? Options: option A, Belarus, option B, Singapore, option C, Indonesia, and option D, USA. The correct answer is option A, Belarus. Which rocket is set to launch the NVS-02 satellite as a part of ISRO's 100th mission from the Satish Dhawan Space Center? Options: option A, PSLV C-55, option B, GSLV F-15, option C, GSLV Mark 111, and option D, SSLV D3. The correct answer is GSLV F-15. Okay friends, thank you. Have a nice day.